So in class we work with this animation that I thought makes a compelling case for landscape. I mean, it's this snake, right? Ruth's snake. And by using the camera, I made a vision of this that I thought was kind of compelling. I go back into render mode. So here's the render mode. We have a moving sun. We have a snake with tons of depth of field and some smoke, etc. So how to render that to give the assignment? We first need to go into the output section. Make sure that 1920 by 1080, that is the normal size. If you want to upload it as a story, as a reel on Instagram, you would do it the other way around. Does it work? Actually, it does. So we'll keep it that way. You're free to choose whatever resolution or aspect ratio you want to use. Then frames 1 to 250. The animation I ask you to be around 30 seconds, which is 3 times this. But you can keep it at 250 if you want. Output. Now, this is the important part. In output, put it on a nice folder in your desktop. File format. Don't do PNG because that's gonna fill the desktop with discrete images. We're going to do FFmpeg video. Then we need to expand this arrow here that says encoding. And instead of Matroska, we click there on Matroska and we say QuickTime. And that should be it. If by some reason you want to add audio, make sure that you click on AAC where it says audio. And that should be it. So all the settings are correct. Actually, I'm gonna go into output here in the desktop and say Ruth Secret Snake by Crystal. I press accept, and then I go into render animation. And it will take a while. It did take a lot more than this, but eventually you will have the animation as a file. You have to let the computer work it out for a while though. Sometimes overnight. Not with Blender though, on Eevee, which is what we're using. And I'm happy to say and report that at frame 240, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 seconds. It's done. Amazing. So now that it's done, I can actually double click this and we can check this out. And I think it works. Great, so this is the file that you need to upload. Ta-da!